This initial solution will show you how to use MEE6 bot. The MEE6 chat and moderation bot is one of the most popular and useful Discord bots for servers and communities. Users can manage numerous server functions and create rules for visitors and spam to keep their Discord server clean and safe. So first of all, let's add the MEE6 bot to our Discord server. Open your browser and type MEE6.xyz, and this is official website for MEE6 bot. Once you are here, click on login with Discord. And click on authorize. And now select the server where you want to add the MEE6 bot. In my case, I want to add the bot to the server, so I'm clicking on setup, continue, authorize, and ensure that you're not a robot. And the bot will be added to your server and you will jump into the MEE6 dashboard. I'm gonna opening my server, and here you can see the MEE6 bot has been successfully added. And here is MEE6 bot commands. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.